you got two big
And you know what?
I'm catching up. I got a small one.
Oh, if you're gonna double, you may as well double with a smallmouth. Now that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. I gotta admit, that's cool.
It don't get no better. I'm telling you, boy, it don't get no better than that, boy. Pick up the right bait at the right time, make the right little move. Boom! I love it.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Folks, how big is
Wow.
this fish? How big is that? I'm Dan Furmanick with Fishin Affliction, getting ready to go out on the waters of Old Hickory Lake to shoot another exciting episode of Fishin Affliction TV for those who've got it bad. But before we do, I want to tell you about a company and their products that we rely upon each and every time that we shoot an episode of Fishin Affliction. And that's the products made by Ram Mounts. Folks, Ram mounts are made in the United States of America, and the unbelievable selection of Ram mounts that you can choose from, well, you're not going to have a problem finding what you need for your specific applications. And folks, this boat right here has 9 Ram mounts that we use each and every time we go out on the waters for an episode of Fishin Affliction. Let's take a look at them. When we shoot an episode of Fishin Affliction, we always have several point of view cameras that we need to set up first. One on the front of the boat and one on the back. Now each and every one of these point of view cameras are held in place by a Ram mount base and Ram mount adapters along with extensions. And these extensions are customizable in terms of length for what your needs are. As we attach this point of view camera to the back of the boat, I want to tell you that Ram Mounts has got you covered when it comes to adapters. They have an adapter for every application that you can possibly think of. Therefore, allowing you to put cameras, fishing rods, electronics anywhere that you need to put them. And you won't believe the variety that you have to choose from. With one point of view camera up in the front and one in the back, it's time for our third point of view camera to be put up. And folks, this is made possible by this cool Ram mount adapter that has threads designed to be put on a paint pole or broomstick, and depending on what you get, you can adjust it to the height and length that you want. As a TV producer, having this type of flexibility is just such a treat, as it allows us to pick up some of the coolest angles that we normally wouldn't get. With our 3 point of view production cameras in place, let's talk about the mounts that have made Ram mounts famous for so long. That's those rugged marine electronic mounts. As you can see, we have 2 big Lowrance units up front. And folks, these units take a beating as we go across waters that are bumpy, rough, white caps. But you know what? When you have to shoot a TV episode for Fishin Affliction TV, it doesn't matter what the conditions are. You're gonna go out and you're gonna be using your marine electronics. And there is absolutely no better mount to use than those made by Ram mounts. This is the 3rd Lowrance HDS unit being held in place by a Ram mount. And this particular unit gets a lot of activity. We're always changing the display, so it gets a lot of vibration, a lot of touching, but each and every time we know it's securely held in place by that rugged marine electronic mount made by Ram mounts. Well, we've talked about the electronic mounts made by Ram, but let's tell you about a few of the other ones, including rod holders. This boat has 4 rod holders that we use for trolling, and Ram Mounts has a rod holder designed for your application, best suited for your needs. Different materials, different mounts, different types of designs, all designed to help you catch those fish of a lifetime. And folks, any other device that you want to hold firmly and securely in place, I bet your Ram Mounts has got you covered. From iPhones to iPads, your favorite Android phone, even your laptop for your vehicle, Ram Mounts has a mount designed for your needs. Well, folks, as you can tell, Ram Mounts has become an important element in every episode of Fishin Affliction TV. They make our job so much easier. They take our mind off of some of the most valuable pieces of gear that we carry in the boat, from our depth finders to our cameras. Folks, those rugged mounts made by Ram Mounts hold everything securely in place, not just for us, but they'll do that for you too. Be sure to check them out at rammounts.com and see the variety that you can pick from for your specific needs. Thank you so much for watching this video featurette on Ram Mounts. God bless you all, and we look forward to seeing you right here again on Fishin Affliction.